Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to easily generate custom tracking URLs so you can see exactly where your website traffic is coming from. First, log into your HubSpot dashboard and look at the main navigation bar at the top of your screen. Click on the Reports tab, then select Analytics Tools from the drop-down menu, and finally click on Tracking URL Builder from the list of options. Once you are on the tracking dashboard, look for the bright orange button in the upper right corner that says Create Tracking URL and click it. A side panel will slide open on the right side of your screen. Start by pasting the standard URL of the web page you want to send people to right into the top box. Next, choose a specific HubSpot campaign this link is associated with from the drop-down list, or type in a brand new campaign name. Then select your source to tell HubSpot exactly where this link is going to be shared, whether that is a paid search ad, an external email, or a specific social media platform. You can also fill out the optional fields for medium, term, and content down below if you want to get really granular with your tracking data. When everything looks good, just hit the Create button at the bottom. HubSpot will instantly generate a unique link with all of your custom UTM parameters perfectly attached. Just copy that new link and use it in your external promotions instead of your standard website URL. If this quick tutorial helped you organize your marketing campaigns today, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tips, and let me know in the comments what analytics feature you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching.